Hi, my name is Barney, and if you're searching for a natural way to support your hearing health or improve it without surgeries or prescription meds, then stick around, because in this short video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about SonoVive. As we get older, it's common to notice subtle changes in our hearing. It might start with trouble hearing conversations clearly or a faint ringing in the ears. According to recent research, one of the leading causes of hearing decline is a weak connection between the hair cells in our ears and the brain cells responsible for processing sound. When these two stop communicating effectively, it can result in hearing loss, tinnitus, headaches, or even memory issues. That's why experts now recommend adding key natural nutrients that help repair and support these vital connections. But let's face it, getting all of those ingredients in your diet every day is tough. That's where SonoVive comes in. SonoVive is a simple yet powerful dietary supplement developed by medical chemist Sam Olsen. It's made using a blend of high-quality natural ingredients that support the communication between ear cells and brain cells, helping you hear more clearly while also boosting memory and focus. Thousands of people have already experienced amazing results, and what's really great is that it's non-GMO, non-habit forming, and free from stimulants or dangerous additives. The formula includes ingredients like ginkgo biloba to improve blood flow and support ear health, St. John's wort, known for its mood-lifting and anti-inflammatory properties, Bacopa monnieri supports brain processing and memory, vinpocetine enhances cognitive function and auditory response, huperzine A protects neural pathways and sharpens focus. These ingredients work together to target the root cause of hearing decline, not just the symptoms. Using SonoVive is super easy. Just take one capsule a day with water at any time of the day. But the key is to be consistent. Most users begin noticing results in a few days to weeks, but for full benefits, it's best to use it for 3 to 6 months. One important reminder, due to high demand, there are fake versions of SonoVive online. To avoid scams, only buy from the official website. I've included the link in the description below. And here's the best part. SonoVive comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if it doesn't work for you, you get a full refund. No hassle, no questions asked. To wrap this up, if you're dealing with hearing challenges or simply want to support your hearing and brain naturally, SonoVive is definitely worth considering. It's science-backed, easy to use, and totally risk-free. Thanks for watching my review. If you've tried SonoVive or you're thinking about trying it, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Wishing you better hearing and great health ahead. Take care.